Jerry's feeding the chickens. Take 6 because of inappropriate language and farting.
God bless America.
I still called you out. No, that's the starter feed. It's medicated. Once I run out of those several bags I have left, they go into regular stuff. Well, guys, why are they pooping on your ladder?
They hold it up.
Thank goodness I have a hose that can reach out here. Gosh, you're so big.
There you go, birdie.
That's not fair. They're gonna like you more because are you doing it on purpose? You're feeding them so they like you.
I'm kind of manipulating.
Oh, I knew it, you turd.
Alright, chickies. Midnight, stop scaring the chickies.
She's been pretty good so far.
Hi, birdie birds.
She's not trying to tear through it or chew on stuff. Yeah, their inside smells like straw. Oh, I forgot. They need, you said one's losing some feathers. Hey, let me go get some of that special dirt.